students. Today we are solving ISI Tomato question on days. So given July 3, 1977 was Sunday, we have to find out which day was on July 3, 1970. So July 3, 1970. So 1970 after July 3. So 3 days you have already gone. So July 1 to 3, 3 days gone. So after July 3, in the rest of July, you have 28. So July has 31 days. So after minusing 3 days, you have 28 days. Then in this 1970, July, after July, you have August 31, then September 30, then October 31, then November 30 plus December 31. So total you have 3, 90 and 20. So you have total 181 days, right? So in 1970, after July 3, you have total 181 days. In 1971, 365, 1972, 365, 19. So 1972, okay, no, this is the leap year. So divide by 4, 16, 7, 19, 37, 36, so 4. So this is a leap year. So you will have 366 days. So then again 1973, 1974, 1975 and 1976. So these are 365, 365, 365 and this is again 366. And then you have 1977 till July 3. So till July 3. So for January 31, then February you have 28 because this is not a leap year. 28, then March 31, April 30, May 31, June 30, and then for July you have 3 days, July 3. So you have 3. So sum of these becomes 184 days. So now total number of days from these, calculating all. So calculating all 181 plus then these all sums and then 184, you have total number of days equals to 2557 total number of days. Now if you divide by 7, so in a week we have 7 days. So dividing by 7 we get so 365 and you have remainder as 2, right? So you get remainder as 2. So we can write this as equivalent to 2 mod 7. So 2 mod 7. So July 3, 1977 was a Sunday. So after dividing by 7 you get, so the day you are getting, so Sunday. Now Sunday, so you get remainder as 2. So Sunday minus 2 you get Friday. So this Friday, this was on July 3rd, 1970 was a Friday. So answer B is your answer. Option B is your answer. I hope this is clear to you all.